What did the Milgram experiment truly show? Imagine a scenario where ordinary people are asked to deliver what they think are painful electric shocks to someone else. Sounds unsettling, right? That's exactly what the Milgram experiment did. It was designed to see how far people would go when told to obey authority figures. Participants believed they were shocking a learner for mistakes in a memory test. The shocks weren't real, but the participants didn't know that. Despite hearing screams and protests, many kept increasing the shocks when prompted by the experimenter. This revealed that a surprisingly high number of people are willing to follow orders that conflict with their personal morals. Between 65 and 82% of participants went all the way to the highest voltage level. That's a shocking number, showing how obedience can override personal conscience. But it's more than just blind submission. Many participants thought they were helping a scientific cause or believed the authorities' instructions were justified. They identified with the experiment's purpose, which made them more willing to obey. This suggests that obedience isn't just about fear or coercion but also about believing in the authorities' goals. The experiment also challenged assumptions about human nature. Before the study, many experts thought very few would deliver the highest shocks. Milgram initially thought obedience at such levels might be a German trait linked to Nazi atrocities. But the results from American participants showed that ordinary people everywhere can act in surprising ways under authority pressure. From a social and behavioral perspective, the experiment highlights how social roles and authority figures influence behavior. It shows how easily ethical boundaries can be crossed when people believe they are part of a larger mission. It also raises questions about free will and moral responsibility. The findings warn us about the dangers of unquestioning obedience in real life, whether in military settings or organizations. It's a reminder that authority can shape actions in ways we might not expect. In the end, the Milgram experiment truly demonstrated that obedience to authority can override personal morals. But it also revealed that this obedience often comes from a mix of social identification and belief in the purpose behind the orders. It's a strange, unsettling look into how human psychology works under pressure and why people sometimes act against their own values.